Hi Felipe. Finally, today is your D-Day, man. So you are locked. I'm so happy. And I wish you a wonderful marriage life.
Assalamualaikum, marhaba, mabruk para Peds and Grace. Thank you for the opportunity to congratulate you both on your special day. Hindi ko na to papatagalin para Peds. Alam mo naman, dito pa tayo sa trabaho ngayon. Lagi naman tayo nag-uusap. I just wanna wish you both to enjoy your love that grows with every single day. And may the happiness and love you both feel today shines through the years. Again, congratulations to both of you, Pare Peds and Grace.
Hi, Karen and Ferdinand. I just want to greet you and congratulate you for your wedding day. Best wishes for a happy life together. Always put God as the center of your life. Alam natin ang pagpapakasal ay hindi laro. Okay, marami tayong tatahakin na pagsubok sa buhay. You need to seek guidance of God. Okay? And also, bilang isang lalaki, okay, para sa akin, siya ang dapat maging ilaw ng tahanan. At ang babae, siya ang haligi ng tahanan. Bakit? Baka iniisip mo, baliktad, no? Kasi ang lalaki marupok. Joke lang. Basta always love one another, trust each other, and always remember the vow you give to God. Thank you. That's all.
Hello pre, musta? Birds. This is it pansit. Pinag-uusapan pa natin nun, kay bilis lang ang panahon pre. Naalala mo yung mga Saudi times natin sa Riyadh days. Memorable yun. And I'm lucky, isa ako sa mga naging partner mo sa inspection team that time. Sa privilege, napakabait ni Perds. Wala akong masabi, the best. Congratulations pre sa kasal mo. Personally, sorry, di ako makapunta dyan sa kasal mo eh. But hoping for the best sa kasal mo and upcoming future with your wife-to-be. Ano pa ba masasabi ko? Sobrang bait nito eh. But then, stay safe and be happy with your new journey with your wife, pre. Be the best man. Shukran, Habibi.
Congrats, Mare and Pare, to Paring Perds. Welcome to the club. Advice ko lang pare, lagi mong itatak sa puso't isip mo ang kasabihan na wife is always right. Mag-double time pare para makahabol ka at makapaglaro pa yung mga kids natin. So, fall in love each other every day. And congratulations. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
Verdi and Karen, congratulations and best wishes. Sana maging masaya kayo sa araw ng inyong kasal. Kahit na hindi ako nakapunta ng personal, kaya kahit na sa konting paalala bilang ninong, ay gusto ko sanang ipaabot sa inyo ang aking taus-pusong pagbati sa inyong mag-asawa. Verdi, matagal na tayong magkakilala. Kilala kita. Alam ko kung gaano kakagaling, lalong-lalo na sa ating trabaho. Sana magamit ko rin yan sa buhay may asawa, sa pagpapamilya. At ang tanging ipapayok sa inyo na maging sentro ng buhay nyo ang Panginoong Diyos. Muli, congratulations.
Congrats and best wishes to both of you.
Congratulations to both of you. Happy wedding. Mr. and Mrs. Carbonell, mabruk.
Bro, Ferdinand, best wishes, enjoy, and Magmahalan kayo lagi.
Good morning, Mr. Ferdinand. On behalf of BRCAT International, we will greet you happy marriage day and congratulations and best wishes.
Pamilya namin. Matagal lang pinag-antay yan, ano? Mahaba-haba na din ang pag-aantay mo. Eh, dumating din ang panahon at tamang oras para sa iyo. At nakakuha ka din ng iyong partner na talaga namang napakaganda. Binabati namin ikaw sa iyong
Yung kasal,
pakipag
isang dibdib.
isang dibdib sa iyong partner. Bukas nga pala, for the boy. Congratulations
Best wishes.
and best wishes.
Hi Insan, I'm really happy for you. At last, you found the love of your life. I wish you and your wife a happy married life and digging for babies. Congratulations and best wishes.
Hi Birds! Ito na yung pinaka-aantay mo, yung pinagdasal mo for a long time, na sana makatagpo ka na ng the one, at eto na nga siya. I am so delighted at the news of your wedding. So, congratulations as you embark a new chapter of your life. Bye!
Bye!
Best wishes!
Best wishes!
See you soon, Es!
See you soon.
Kasar mo, Lakay. Binabati kita sa iyong masayang kasal. Laging tandaan, ang pag-aasawa ay 1 + 1 = 1.
Hi Ferds, hi Karen Grace. I just want to let you know that me and my family are thinking about you on your big day. Congratulations for getting married. Have a wonderful wedding and a very happy and long life together. We wish you all the best for your future. We'll hope to see you both next time. Congratulations.